haven't had this before, but I think it's some kind of a yogurt drink. They had them in China, but I didn't trust them up there, but here I do. So it tastes a little bit like coffee. I think this is the drink that's made from soybean. And I'm not sure what's inside of these, but we'll find out in a couple of minutes. The second half of the elevator or escalator goes up there, but all this area is filled with either restaurants off to the side or this particular road here, a food market. And this lovely pastry, a roll of some sort, filled with something to do with chestnut. Imagine the difficulty of squeezing some new construction into the interstices between these buildings. Scaffolding. Okay, I've just been walking the perimeter of this market area to make sure I found Graham Street Market. So it's all one and the same down there. My guess is much of this building is not used or used for storage only. This is the second half just to say that I've done it.
So if we were in
The kicker is you have to walk back down to go. It goes down and then it goes up again. Area of chic places for the Europeans to hang out in. What the hell, you travel all the way across the world for so you can sit in these places, although there's a high incidence of Europeans who live here and work here. So still one more. You gotta have a long hike back down. Walk some more. And there's one more. So where I am is right in between those two lines that indicate an escalator, and I'm going to hang. And there's one more. One more. Ain't over yet. At least there's a supermarket up here. Just to make sure there aren't any more elevators. Again, another. It really has to end. I was almost at the top this morning. This small bus will take me back to Central. Apparently a model from 1965. This claims to be one of the original ferry boats from 1960 something or other. I hope it's going to where I think I'm supposed to be going to. Sculpture. My guess is the propellers and the location imply it's supposed to have a nautical theme. There's Nathan Street. To the right is Star Ferry and South Kowloon, where I'm staying. This is the temple night market. There are shops on either side, just like we saw up at the electronics mall. It goes down about as far as this camera can reach. I'll just go to telephoto without being able to see it too well. Yeah, way down there somewhere. And I want some fast food, or street food better to call it. I think this area right here. There is another spot for this, or at least there is a spot for it. This may be. This is my last afternoon in Hong Kong, China. I'm out at the Tam Shung station up in the New Territories, and I'm searching for a small old walled village, which theoretically should be just about in the direction that I'm going now. And that's about all that I have in the way of information. This looks like some kind of a major runoff channel during floods.